Dear students, today we are discussing about accounting standard, and before we studied generally accepted accounting principles. At that time we said that are the some rules and regulations which helps us to make uniformity, right? But the difficulty is that the generally accepted accounting principles permit every usage of the accounting information to use various alternative treatment for preparing financial statement. So these generally accepted accounting principles allows the users to use varieties of alternatives or varieties of treatment for preparing accounting information. So whenever we using varieties of treatment, then it will feel difficult to compare the accounting information. So to bring in uniformity and consistency in reporting of accounting information, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, that is ICAI, constituted means formed an accounting standard board, that means ASB. So who constituted? The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, that is ICAI, constitute a board known as Accounting Standard Board or ASB. It is formed in the year April in 1977 for developing some standard for accounting. So accounting standard. So for bringing uniformity and consistency in preparing which one? Accounting information only, ICAI constituted that ASB in the year 1977 for they are developing some accounting standard. So accounting standards are written statement of uniform accounting rules and guidelines or practices for preparing the uniform and consistent financial statement. If you say about profit and loss account, balance sheet, mainly financial statements are profit or income statement and position statement. Okay, but when you're preparing this financial statement, if you want to maintain uniformity, so we need some uniform rules and guidelines. That rules and guidelines we are in a written statement which is made by the Accounting Standard Board is known as accounting standards. So many accounting standards are there in our country. So these all accounting standards particularly mention about when you preparing financial statement, what uniform principles we have to follow. Okay. Now when you talk about International Financial Reporting Standard or IFRS, these are, that is IFRS are globally accepted accounting standard. Accounting standard AS is accepted in our country. IFRS is globally, all over, internationally accepted. It is developed by International Accounting Standard Board or IASB. Is a set of standard for reporting different types of transactions and events in the financial statements. So when you're preparing financial statement, what rules and principles or practices we have to follow that strictly mentioned in this accounting standard that is globally applicable, that is International Financing Reporting Standard. Now one more accounting standard is there in our country, that is IND AS or Indian Accounting Standard, IND AS. Okay, IND Accounting Standard means it is how our accounting standard have some converge with the International Financial Reporting Standard, because we know that now business is going globally. So when you're presenting the financial reports or financial information, so if you want to compare with the other multinational companies, uniformity must be maintained. So now our accounting standard, that is AS, we are converged with the International Financial Reporting Standard. Such a way we formed a new accounting standard, that is IND Accounting Standard. Okay, that is Indian Accounting Standard only. Okay, this AS also we can apply. AS is applicable to companies who are not following Ind AS. Okay. So globally, if you want to make a comparison when you're preparing financial statement, our accounting standard, Indian accounting standard, is converged with the IFRS. We are following merged version of this accounting standard, that is Ind accounting standard. So which corporate sector or companies are not following AS, they are following which one? Ind accounting standard. So understand this very clearly, what is accounting standard. Okay. Thank you so much.